What's up, team? This is week 3 of the sculpt phase of your hardcore challenge, and this is it. This is our last week. So this is your 5-minute core connection, and we're gonna make it special today. So join me seated on the mat if you can. Go ahead and check in with your posture. You should be a total pro at this now, lifting up through the top of the head, but relaxing the tension in the shoulders, stacking the ears over the shoulders, shoulders over the rib cage over that pelvis. A few diaphragmatic breaths, TA breaths. Inhale, relax, exhale, and inhale, relax, exhale, and in. A few pelvic floor activations on their own. Let's release, relax, contract, release, contract, and then quick ones, release, contract, release, contract, release, contract. I know, right? And then hold, elevator, up 1, keep going 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then relax it down. Meet me on all fours. All right, team. So let's just see how far we've come. So you're in that bear plank position. Shoulders right above the elbows, right above the wrist, hips above the knees. So making sure we're not back or up. You're here. Big inhale to expand. Exhale. We're gonna do that little bear plank lift. I know normally we don't do these in our connections. We do these in our workouts, but we're doing it for a special reason today. Inhale, relax. Exhale, breathe. TA breath, release. One more like that. Inhale. Use your core to lift. Exhale here. All right, I want you to hold it here if you can. All right, from this bear plank, can you lift one leg out? Bring it back in. Can you lift the other leg out? Feel that control. Bring it back in. Can you take that arm up? Bring it back in. Can you take that arm up? Bring it back in. Drop it down. Just your breathing again. Connect with the pelvic floor. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let's do that one more time. Inhale. This time let's lift with the core. Hold it here. Stay connected. One arm. And switch. Other arm. Stay stable. Stay square. Take a leg. And switch. Take a leg. And switch. And down. Relax. All right, we're gonna shake it out right here. Stretch through your back. One more thing from here. Give your little wrist, give your wrist a little rest. Inhale, exhale, bring it up. So from that bear plank, you're gonna do a cat-cow. And here, cat-cow stretch. Can you stay connected while you move through that spine, right? I know, it feels a little tricky. You can do it. 2 more. Last one. And relax. Stretch it out right through here. I know, right? Whoo. Come into a plank position. Almost done. I know. So from your little baby cobra, inhale, exhale. Let's take it to our plank singles. Inhale, exhale. Use only your core to lift. You're a pro now. You can do it. All the way up to the toes using the core to lift. Slowly back down. Slowly back down. One more. We're going to do some things at the top, okay? And then this is it. Inhale. Exhale. Lift. Keep going up. Hold that. Stay connected. Right arm. Take it down. Stay connected. Left arm. Take it down. Stay connected. Right leg. Take it down. Connect. Left leg. Can you, and if you need to drop down to do it, you can, turn to the side, into that side plank, almost there. Can you come elbow to knee, stay connected, and back, 2 more times like that, elbow to knee, If that bothers your bottom leg, drop the knee, bottom knee. And can we switch? I'm gonna switch to the other side, but you can just turn right over. Here we go. Bring it up. Stay connected, elbow to knee 3 times, and that's it. Your goal is to stay lifted and stay connected. We're really testing it today. I know normally we're here doing lots of breath work, right? Lots of pelvic floor activation. Making it a little harder today. Woo! Stretch your head to the side, little stretch right through there. Oh man, that got my heart pumping. I don't know about you. All right, that is it. That is our final core connection. Don't forget these. Use these throughout your day. It's not just for this challenge, it's for the long term. I hope you've learned a lot. One big deep breath in and out. You did it. That was your last core connection workout. Great job, everybody.